Happy story time!
The Fox's Incredible Act of Kindness. Once upon a time, in the cozy heart of the November woods, lived a little red fox named Copper. Copper was a jolly character, his fur as bright as autumn leaves. He was known to be the most grateful creature in the whole forest. Copper's best friends were Henry, the wise old owl, and Winnie, the busy squirrel. They were a trio that everyone admired. Henry was always calm, and he loved to share his knowledge about the stars that twinkled high in the night sky. Winnie, she was the fastest nut gatherer in the forest, perpetually in a rush, collecting goodies for the wintertime. One chilly November morning, as the sun stretched its golden fingers over the treetops, Copper, Henry, and Winnie decided to embark on a grand adventure. They planned to explore the great unknown, a place they heard about but never seen, the Rainbow Valley. "Are you sure this is a good idea?" Henry asked, his feathers ruffled with excitement. "Of course! Rainbow Valley sounds like the most marvelous place on earth," replied Winnie, her paws tapping the ground impatiently. With their curiosity bubbling, the three friends ventured deep into the forest. Along the way, they marveled at the leaves that crunched underfoot, creating a beautiful rustling sound. Copper loved the feeling of crispy leaves between his paws. As they journeyed, Henry taught them about the crispness of the November air, and Winnie showed them how to gather nuts, which smelled earthy and delicious. They learned to appreciate the gentle songs of the wind, which swayed the branches like a lullaby. When they reached Rainbow Valley, they were spellbound. The valley was a symphony of colors. Bright red and yellow leaves danced in the breeze, while the air was filled with the soothing scent of the pine trees. "Isn't this amazing?" Copper asked, his eyes sparkling with gratitude. "It's breathtaking," Henry exclaimed, fluffing his feathers with delight. Winnie, unable to contain herself, scurried up a tree and filled her pouches with the most beautiful nuts she had ever seen. They glowed with a magical radiance. The friends spent hours exploring the valley, enjoying the colors, smells, and textures surrounding them. They chased each other playfully through the falling leaves, making crunchy leaf piles to jump into. As the day waned, they decided to head back home. Their hearts were grateful for the beauty and wonder they had discovered. The journey back was just as wonderful as the journey there. Henry pointed out in the inky night sky as they gazed at the stars, twinkling like diamonds. Winnie shared her warm nuts with everyone, and the taste filled their bellies with contentment. Upon returning to their cozy homes, the friends knew gratitude wasn't just for Thanksgiving. It was for every day, every moment and everything around them. The friends they had, the adventures they shared, and the beauty of November. With hearts brimming with appreciation, Copper, Henry, and Winnie settled in for the night, knowing that gratitude made even the simplest moments magical. As they closed their eyes, they whispered, "Thank you, November, for filling our lives with wonder." So, in the heart of the November woods, 3 friends learned that gratitude was not just a word. It was a feeling that made every day special and every moment an adventure. The end.
Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe.